In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supermetrics for Google Sheets. If you're looking to integrate data from various platforms into your Google Sheets effortlessly, Supermetrics is a tool you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and set this up step by step so you can streamline your data analysis process with ease. First up, we need to get the Supermetrics add-on installed in your Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once you're there, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Extensions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there click on Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. This action will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace for you. In the search bar at the top, type in Supermetrics. You should see it pop up in the search results. Click on Supermetrics and then hit the Install button. During this installation process, you'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions. Make sure you review these permissions carefully and then accept them to complete the installation. This is a crucial step to ensure that Supermetrics can function properly with your Google Sheets. Now that you have Supermetrics installed, it's time to launch it. Again, head over to the Extensions menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. This time, look for Supermetrics in the drop-down that appears and click on it. From the options, select Launch. You should see the Supermetrics sidebar pop up on the right side of your Google Sheets. This sidebar will be your main workspace for all Supermetrics-related tasks. Here's a little tip. If the sidebar doesn't appear immediately, refreshing your Google Sheets page might help get things running smoothly. With the Supermetrics sidebar ready to go, you can now connect to a data source. This step is where the magic happens, allowing you to pull data directly into your Google Sheets. Take a look at the sidebar, and you'll see a button that says Data Source. Click on it, and a list of data sources will appear. You'll find popular platforms such as Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, Google Ads, among others. Choose the data source that suits your needs. After selecting your desired source, you'll have to authenticate and authorize Supermetrics to access your data. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully to authorize access. This step usually involves signing into your account for the data source and approving Supermetrics as a connected service. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Supermetrics on your Google Sheets, launched the sidebar, and connected to a data source. You're now all set to start analyzing your data seamlessly across different platforms, all from the comfort of Google Sheets. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing.